Welcome to Smart Money Tips. Today we'll talk about 5 simple money habits that can completely change your financial life. Let's begin.
I want you to listen carefully, because these tips are not just for experts or rich people. They are for everyone, including you. Let's start. Tip 1. Always track your spending. Most people earn money, but they don't know where it goes. At the end of the month, they are confused. Why is my wallet empty? Here's the truth. If you don't track your spending, money will always slip away silently. So from today, write down every expense, even that small cup of coffee or that quick snack. When you track it, you will see patterns. Maybe you are spending $100 a month just on coffee. That's $1,200 a year. Tracking gives you power, because once you know, you can control.
The second habit is save first, spend later. As soon as you get your salary, put a part of it directly into savings. Only spend what is left. This simple trick builds financial security for your future.
To make sure that you hit your financial goals, you need to save first.
The third habit is planning your meals every week.
Sunday, time to plan our meals and grab those groceries.
It stops unnecessary spending and eating out too often. This small step can save you up to $200 a month.
Eating out costs about $50, but cooking at home can be around $15. Do that swap a few times and you're saving $200 a month. That's $2,400 a year.
The fourth habit is avoiding emotional or impulsive shopping. Whenever you feel like buying something, don't buy it right away. Wait at least 24 hours. Most of the time, you'll realize you don't really need it. This habit protects your wallet from waste.
You have your countdown to wait 24 hours before buying.
Imagine a world where your impulses didn't dictate your purchases.
The fifth and most powerful habit is investing early. Even if you have a small amount, start now. Investments grow like a tree. Plant the seed today, and tomorrow it becomes a big tree. The earlier you start, the bigger it grows.
Track spending, save first, plan meals, avoid emotional shopping, and start investing.